Do you want to know how to use emojis on Roblox on your PC? It makes your Roblox chats more fun and expressive. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use emojis on Roblox PC. So let's get started. Open any browser you like, then go to roblox.com and open any game you like. While in the game, press the //bracket key. Press the slash key. Roblox doesn't have a built-in emoji picker on PC, but you can use your computer's emoji keyboard. Just press the Windows key plus semicolon. To open the emoji panel, click on emoji from the panel. Press enter to send your message with the emoji. And that's how you can use emojis on Roblox PC to make your chats more fun. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.